Ich war sogar bei ihm.
Wenn du das tust, kannst du nicht zurückkommen.
قد الفراق
I'm happy for you, John.
قد الفراق اللي انت جاي
wanted to hurt you.
تطلبه
Just as you would hurt me.
قد التعب
I'm deeply sorry.
اللي احنا ممكن نتعب
Goodbye, Miss Sarah Howard.
قد الفراق
Bye, John.
قد الفراق اللي انت جاي تطلبه
Du føles som om jeg er ulykkelig, Lise.
قد التعب اللي احنا ممكن نتعبه
Vi troede, vi kunne få alting på en gang.
الاشتياق
var
اسأل
naivt.
عليه كل اللي بعده جربوا هما اللي سابوا بعض قبل ما عملوا ايه يا متاهوا يا معاشوا ندماني فاكرها سهلة هتنسى وانسى فقد ايه في ناس بتفضل تنسى بعض بالسنين
Don't marry him.
Why?
Hey, baby.
Hello, Amy. I'm Lauren.
I have been second to Joe my whole life in everything, and I will not be the person you settle for just because you cannot have her. I won't do it. I won't, not when I've spent my entire life loving you.
I might be respected if I couldn't be loved.
If I seek attention,
It's late, so.
perhaps it's because I receive so little from you.
Your infidelity is never talk, I'm afraid.
Is that what you think of me? I love you. I would have loved you forever.
Clara, she's gone, my lord.
You've broken my heart.
قد الليالي
You are a young lady.
قد الليالي اللي انت يا ما سهرتها
Hey, Evelyn, you don't have to go with her.
قد الحنين اللي افتكرته انتهى
All my love.
قد الليالي
Sam.
قد
risked your life to get me to another mother.
اللي انت يا ما
One year meant you
سهرتها
But I'm yours.
قد
You touched me and I...
الحنين
Doesn't
اللي
matter.
افتكرته انتهى
I'll pretend it's you.
ذكريات دي هنعمل ايه
Why long for things if they're not meant to be ours?
You have me in an impossible situation. I cannot remain in Scotland Yard with you, a private detective. It's both possible.
So this isn't goodbye.
Goodbye for now. Goodbye for now.
في ناس بتفضل تنسى بعض بالسنين
You've already met my daughter, Edith?
بعض قبل نعمل ايه يا متاهوا
You lied to me!
I did.
You poisoned me! You told me you loved me!
I do.
فاكرها سهلة هتنسى وانسى فقد ايه في ناس بتفضل تنسى بعض بالسنين
Richard, save me.
Hey,
Why would you do that?
Lydia, why do you think
You love me, Richard.
you love me? Lydia, perhaps I always have. As long as I have you, I'm my own honor.
So just to win your point with him, you would dishonor me.
I'll play whatever cards I must. She wasn't supposed to die. It was a broken heart because of me. You have a husband, Charlotte. Have a life. Charlotte, you can leave. I would understand. I never told you.
Is it because you do not believe that I could love you? I do!
Get out!
No, George. If what we have is half, then we shall make it the very best half. Do you love me?
I love you!
You did not go over the wall.
I did not go for the wall.